Here's a brief idea of what embodied cognition is, and this is a great book to better understand. To give context, in cognitive science, there are different ways of modeling cognition, and some people think that cognition is embodied. What does that mean? Well, your cognition is dependent on the physical brain structures that you have. Put another way, the reason why giraffes can't do calculus is because they're missing the appropriate physical brain structures. Here are some examples of what that might look like in human cognition. The famous one is object permanence. Children from one age to another suddenly develop the ability to understand that objects do not disappear when you put them behind things. So if you put a cup inside a cupboard, when a child is, say, 1 year or 2 years old, they will think it disappears. But the second they turn 3 or 4, all of a sudden they understand that it stays there. It's because the proper neural mechanisms have developed for them to have that concept. In other words, embodied cognition argues that the brain gives rise to reason and therefore truth, not that reason gives rise to truth.